I know making money online is never easy, but in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you one of the legitimate ways to make money online, especially if you live in Ghana. The strategy we are going to mount today pays through mobile money. So if you are new to the channel, kindly do well to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to get you notified whenever I upload a new video here. Also, like this video and leave a comment down there below. If you are in for money, then let's get started. The website we are going to use today is called Nationton Republic. This is what they do. They have two offers, one for personal accounts and the other for business accounts. So if you register your account under one of the accounts, you become a member to the platform, and when you refer someone to their website or to the platform, you earn a commission as an affiliate. If you are looking for one best legitimate way in making money online, you can never go and leave affiliate marketing behind. So what Nationton Republic is practicing is an affiliate marketing system. Just bring a person to their website and you'll get paid. When it comes to the personal account, you register with 10 Ghana cedis and you earn an affiliate commission of 9 Ghana cedis per every referral that signs up to their website using your referral link or your username. And when you refer someone to sign up to their business offer, it costs 100 Ghana cedi for registration, and you being the referrer is going to earn 70 Ghana cedis per every referral. It's a very genuine business, so you can earn from 9 Ghana cedis to any amount that you can think of. Let us do a simple calculation over here. So if 9 Ghana cedis is the commission that I'm going to earn per person, and in case I earn or I get 10 people in a day, 9 by 10, maybe 10 in a day is too much for you. Okay, so let's make it maybe 5 in a day. 9 by 5 is going to give us 45 Ghana cedis per each and every day. Okay, so if we earn 45 Ghana cedis a day, let's multiply this by 30, which is in a month. Okay, by 30. So in a month, you are going to earn 1,350 Ghana cedi free of charge just by referring people to Nationton Republic. What about if you sign up with a business account? So the business account costs 100 cedis as I've said, and you earn 70 cedis commission from every referral. So 70 cedis by 5 referrals a day, which is going to give you 350 Ghana cedis a day. Let's multiply this by 30 by 30 in a month. You're going to make 10,500 Ghana cedis. Can you imagine? And it is possible for you to earn such an amount. If you have never tried, you won't believe it. Give it a try and see how it works, and it's going to work for you because it's working for me. I'll show you my balance. I have been working under the personal account. The company just introduced the business account not long ago. So if you're willing to sign up with the business account, just go for it. Sign up with 100 Ghana cedis and earn 70 Ghana cedis per referral. I'll show you where you'll be getting referrals from very soon. Okay, so let's go to the registration stage. Click on register over here. You'll be redirected to here. It is here that you will select either you want to have a personal account or a business account. Okay, so it depends on you. What you have to notice that the registration is valid for 1 year. So if you register for the 10 Ghana cedis, it is for 1 year, and if you also register for the 100 Ghana cedis, which is the business account, it is also for 1 year. Okay, so depending, if you want to go for this one, you just click on this. If you want to go for this one, you just click on this. So let's see. In case I want to register with a personal account, the same thing applies to the 100 cedis registration. Nothing changes. Okay, so you just put your first name over here, and then your last name, and then your nickname, which is your username. Sometimes the name will be chosen, will be picked by other persons, so you can add numbers or figures for you to get a unique username. Your phone number over here, and then you put your email address. You confirm the email address over here, and you get to the username, the person who referred you. My username is roadtowealth. So if you're going to register, kindly use my username roadtowealth for me to also get that commission, because I've also done well by introducing such lucrative websites that pays through mobile money to you. So use my username roadtowealth, one word, roadtowealth. My affiliate link is in the description down below. So let's get to the payment option. Have you seen where they've written these inscriptions? If you are using MTN, they've directed you how you can pay. You can pay to this number, and the name is this one right here, Nationton Information Technology. If you use Airtel to go, then you can use this format to send the money to the company. If you use Vodafone, this is what you are going to follow to send the money to the company. Okay, so after the money is sent, after every payment transaction, you receive a transaction ID. Okay, you are going to insert that ID over here to verify. It will be sent to you by the network provider, either MTN, Airtel to go, or Vodafone. So if you are going for the 100 cedis one, you send them 100 cedis. If you are going for the 10 cedis one, you send them the 10 cedis exact amount, and you are good to go. Okay, so after you are done with that, you put your password here, and then you confirm it, and you tick that you understand and accept their terms and conditions. Okay, after you click on the create, your account will be created for you, but wait for them. It will go under review before they get you approved within some hours. So after you are approved, this is how your dashboard is going to be. You see your earnings, payment request, and then your affiliate link. So this is your referral link, which is the affiliate link, this one. Okay, so you copy this link. You can go to bit.ly.com to shorten the link, or you can choose to use it as it is. Talk to people on social media. Okay, that this is one of the lucrative ways, or this is one of the best ways that they can be making money online in Ghana through mobile money. Okay, so talk to people. You can go on Facebook, search for groups, how to make money online groups, join them, and then write something in it. You can make money online in Ghana easily. Contact me or something like that sort. So talk to people on social media about the business. It is very simple. They just get their account registered. After they are approved, they should grab their affiliate link or username. Talk to people to also come join the company. When they register, and they get paid easily, and it is affiliate marketing that we are doing here. So we have two accounts, business account and personal account. Personal account costs 10 Ghana cedis for registration. Business account costs 100 Ghana cedis for registration. One thing that you have to note is that when you register on this website, you have so many opportunities. Okay, so look at here, look at this one. It is saying that with the 100 cedis, or with 10 Ghana cedis or 100 cedis, you get access to their premium products worth more than 10,000 per individual. You can post ad, you can promote your business here, you can get jobs website, corporate website, news and blog websites, and then a lot of things that could cost you a lot of money. You can get them here for free. Have you seen this job website? Have you seen it? You can have it for free. Have you seen this news website? Have you seen this corporate website? So get yourself registered, either with 10 Ghana cedis or 100 Ghana cedis. Most lucrative part is the affiliate marketing side. When someone registers with your affiliate link, you earn either 9 Ghana cedis or 70 Ghana cedis per the registration that the person made. If you have any question for me, leave it in the comment section down below for me, and I will attend to you. I'll come back to talk to you much about how to get traffic and so on and so forth. I'll even teach you how to install their website on your server for free. You can even do that for your clients and you get more money. If you want to download the website, you can just come here, downloads, and you find the website over here. So you can download the job website, the news website, or the corporate website. You can use it for yourself or use it on clients, or for clients, and then you charge them for it. It is very simple to install it. I'll teach you. Don't worry. That is why you need to follow me. You need to subscribe to this channel, and then also turn on the notification bell. Whenever any video is up, you will be notified. So guys, that is that for today. I'll come back to talk more about this website, but make sure you register by using my affiliate link in the description down below, or you use my username roadtowealth. Thank you for being here. Let's meet on one of the next videos.